Did you know this car commercial was created entirely using AI? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's true. This entire video, from the storyboard prompts, video generation, sound effects, to background music, was all made with AI. Now, was it created using Google VO3? Nope. In today's video, I'm going to reveal what tool was actually used and walk you through step-by-step how to make your own stunning CGI-style ad with AI. If that sounds exciting to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. It really helps me a lot. Alright, let's jump right in. Step 1. Script creation. We'll start with our script, and as always, we're using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and enter this prompt. I am an advertising practitioner. I want to make an advertising video for Porsche 911. The advertising video is produced using the latest model of Hailuo AI02. I need you to write a storyboard for me, plan the description of key shots, and make the entire video reflect the luxurious and dynamic atmosphere of the subject. And give me the storyboard prompts of Hailuo 02's text-to-video, and pay attention to maintaining the coherence of the overall structure. Once that's in, click send. Yes, in this video we're using Hailuo AI's newest model, Hailuo 02. As an AI enthusiast, I couldn't wait to test out this brand new model, and I was absolutely blown away. Even just watching the promo had me hooked. So after I show you how to make a CGI-style ad, I'll also walk you through some of its other features, and even compare it side by side with Google VO3. So stay curious and make sure to stick around till the end. Back to the topic. ChatGPT has already given us a detailed storyboard, script, and Hailuo AI 02 prompts, including vehicle, Porsche 911, color, Arctic Silver, model, Porsche 911 Carrera GTS, and so on. 13 shots total. It looked solid. But honestly, I wasn't completely satisfied. So I added this follow-up prompt. If the scenes are not connected enough, you can add other scenes, such as starting a car with one hand or other adrenaline-pumping scenes. And just like that, the new version felt so much better. Step 2. Video generation. Now let's jump over to Hailuo AI. Click on the Video tab on the left, then select Text to Video, and choose the Hailuo 02 model. You can generate videos in 768p or 1080p, but only 768p supports full 10-second clips. 1080p allows just 6 seconds. Copy your prompts one by one. Click Generate and wait for the magic. Once it's done, let's check out the results. Looks pretty impressive, right? Now keep in mind, Hailuo 02 doesn't generate audio or sound effects like Google VO3. But don't worry, I'll show you another tool you can use to fix that. If you're happy with the clip, download it. If not, you can always regenerate. After all, it's AI. We all know it's not always perfect on the first try. Step 3. Add sound effects. Here's a great site I recommend. FlexClip. It's perfect for editing videos and has tons of templates. It also comes loaded with cool AI tools like AI image-to-image with styles like Ghibli, text-to-image, auto-subtitles, text-to-speech, background remover, old photo restoration, AI music generator, voice cloning, and more. I'll drop the link in the video description so you can check it out yourself. But today we're using this feature. Video to AI SFX Generator. Upload the video clip. Copy your Hailuo video prompt. And hit Generate. Just like that, your video now has sound. Let's play it. Awesome. Repeat the process to add SFX to all your video clips. Final step, editing. I'm using CapCut for editing. Import all your video clips. I added background music too. Also created using FlexClip's AI music generator. Start by dragging in your music track, then click the AI beat marker so everything syncs better. Now drop in your video clips. You can arrange them however you like. I also added transitions. My personal favorite is fade to black. Then apply a filter. I used Clear 2 for a clean look. Export the video and you're done. Now I have to say, Hailuo Aero 2 really blew me away with its action scene generation. Let's check out this prompt. On the rooftop of a modern city, the camera follows a parkour master as he runs between buildings, then completes a series of high-altitude leaps and backflips before finally landing steadily on a narrow guardrail and waving to the camera. It looks so smooth. No warping, no weird artifacts. VEO's result? Not quite on the same level. Let's take a look at some direct comparisons between Hailuo 02 and VEO 3 using the exact same prompts. Alright, let's see image to video. After taking a look at the AI rankings, it ranks second in the world, and its image to video capabilities exceed those of Keeling 2.0 and VEO 3. So I want to try it to see how it's looking. So, for multi-person action, you'll feel every punch. Nothing feels weightless, super satisfying. And stylization capabilities? This was the biggest surprise for me. Not only does Hailuo 02 handle motion well, it also nails stylistic consistency in ways I didn't expect. Let me show you a few of my favorite examples. Enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really motivates me to create more helpful tutorials like this. Got questions? Want me to explore a new niche? Leave a comment. I'll reply to every one of you.